Welcome back to channel Auto Drive HUB brings you the latest updates, reviews, and news from the world of automobiles with detailed insights and expert opinions. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 continues to dominate the lightweight sport bike segment with its stylish design, reliable performance, and rider-friendly characteristics. Designed for both beginners and experienced riders, this model strikes a perfect balance between power and handling, making it one of the most sought-after bikes in its category. The Ninja 400 gets a fresh look for 2025 with new graphics and color options that enhance its aggressive styling inspired by its larger siblings in the Ninja family. The sharp dual LED headlights and aerodynamic bodywork not only improve the visual appeal but also contribute to better wind protection and overall performance. Powering the 2025 Ninja 400 is a 399cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, consistent power across the rev range. With a refined throttle response and linear acceleration, the engine is capable of producing around 49 horsepower, giving riders plenty of performance whether commuting in the city or enjoying spirited weekend rides. The lightweight chassis and trellis frame offer excellent stability and agile handling, which is particularly helpful in tight corners and during quick transitions. Kawasaki has equipped the Ninja 400 with a slipper clutch that reduces rear wheel chatter during aggressive downshifting and makes the clutch lever easier to operate. This feature is especially helpful for newer riders looking to build confidence on the road. The 6-speed transmission is precise and smooth, allowing seamless gear changes in various riding conditions. The bike also comes with an assist function that further lightens the clutch pull for improved comfort in stop-and-go traffic. The suspension system on the 2025 Ninja 400 is well tuned for both city riding and highway cruising. At the front, it features a 41mm telescopic fork, while the rear is supported by a preload adjustable monoshock. This setup ensures a comfortable ride by absorbing road imperfections effectively while also maintaining sportbike-like responsiveness when cornering. The braking system includes a 310mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, both assisted by dual-channel ABS to ensure stable and safe braking performance even in challenging conditions. Ergonomically, the Ninja 400 provides a sporty yet comfortable riding position. The seat height remains manageable at around 30.9 inches, making it accessible for shorter riders. The clip-on handlebars and slightly rear-set footpegs offer a balanced stance that supports both aggressive riding and longer journeys. The seat itself is well padded and shaped to provide good support for both the rider and pillion, adding to the overall comfort and usability of the motorcycle. In terms of technology, the 2025 Ninja 400 retains its clean and functional instrument cluster. While it doesn't have a full TFT screen like some larger models, the semi-digital display is easy to read and provides essential information such as speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and trip meters. The addition of gear position indicator and fuel efficiency display are useful for new riders looking to improve their skills and monitor their rides more effectively. The Ninja 400 also maintains its strong reputation for fuel efficiency. With an average mileage of around 25 to 30 km per liter, it proves to be a cost-effective option for daily commuting and occasional touring. Combined with a fuel tank capacity of 14 liters, the bike offers a decent riding range between fill-ups. This makes it a practical choice for those who want a stylish and powerful machine without constantly worrying about fuel costs. One of the standout qualities of the Ninja 400 is its reliability and low maintenance needs. Kawasaki has built this bike to withstand regular usage with minimal fuss, making it a dependable companion for both short and long-term ownership. The service intervals are reasonably spaced, and parts availability is generally good, ensuring that upkeep remains straightforward and affordable. Owners often praise the Ninja 400 for its build quality and long-term durability. Another appealing aspect is the bike's ability to perform well in different environments. Whether you are riding through urban streets, winding backroads, or even on the track, the Ninja 400 adapts with ease. Its compact dimensions and light weight make it easy to maneuver in traffic, while the responsive engine and well-balanced chassis give riders the confidence to push harder in open areas. This versatility makes the Ninja 400 an all-rounder that fits a wide range of riding styles and preferences. The 2025 model also brings slight refinements in fit and finish. Kawasaki has improved the switchgear feel and material quality in certain areas, enhancing the overall premium feel of the motorcycle. While the Ninja 400 doesn't come loaded with high-end features like traction control or ride modes, it remains focused on delivering pure, engaging riding experience. For many riders, especially those starting their sport bike journey, this simplicity is part of its charm. In terms of competition, the Ninja 400 holds its ground well against rivals such as the Yamaha R3, KTM RC390, and the CF Moto 300 SR. While each of these bikes has its own strengths, the Ninja 400 stands out for its balanced performance, comfort, and brand reliability. It manages to offer a more complete package with enough excitement for experienced riders while remaining unintimidating for newer ones. Kawasaki also offers a wide range of official accessories for the Ninja 400, allowing riders to personalize their motorcycle according to their needs. From tank pads and frame sliders to performance exhausts and tail tidies, there's a lot of room to make the bike your own. This flexibility is appreciated by enthusiasts who enjoy customizing their rides to match their personality or riding style. Overall, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 continues to prove why it is a top choice in the entry-level sport bike segment. It combines sharp looks, dependable performance, and everyday usability into a package that's hard to beat. Whether you are upgrading from a smaller displacement bike or entering the world of sport bikes for the first time, the Ninja 400 offers an experience that is both thrilling and approachable. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive HUB for more automotive reviews, latest updates, and detailed breakdowns of your favorite vehicles.